Alright, there's the camera. It's attached right here, and it goes all the way up, and is about maybe, I don't know, a foot above my side. So I'm going to attempt to do a different shot. Because what happened was that, I mean, this is the second time I do it. Wow, look at that truck. Yeah, so I'm going to attempt to do a shot that kind of goes above me. I don't know if it's going to happen or not. The shot that I had before, I actually liked it. If you haven't seen the other video that I posted, I'll link it down below. But the one here in the, I guess, essentially in the bars, it was okay. You know, it's fine. It's very traditional. I could do that with my other GoPro, right? I don't really need a 360 camera to do that. So I'm really not looking to use that. You know, I'm not looking to put it just on my bars. I wanted to get some cool shots. And the one that I put on my left, if you saw that video, it was pretty cool. Really, really cool. Now, the one that I did back here on my bars, or in my crush bars, it was okay. But the problem with it is that you really can't reach it, right? So I need to have a control or something like that to be able to stop it and all that good stuff. But I tell you right now, the camera is already coming down. So that's definitely not good. Let's bring it up. There we go. There it is. Alright, I don't know how this is going to roll, but it's going to stay right there. We're going 60 miles per hour, and that stick is definitely not holding up right there. It's definitely not. It's way too high. So maybe it holds, maybe it doesn't, but obviously at this speed, that's not going to work. You see it right there in the mirror. Luckily, I got my bags, and my bags are kind of holding the camera in a way. So, but either way, let's keep pushing forward. We're going to go about 2 more miles. Just do a quick sight or a quick test. Like I was saying, so far, I'm a big fan of the bars, or at least the frame that is right here on my left. I like that. I feel like this frame that I tried to do today is probably not going to be good. But who knows? Really, who knows? I mean, the most scary part is that if the cameras fell and it hits the ground, you out of $500. And obviously be really safe, be very, very careful, because you don't want to be holding the camera or something and you know, cause an accident. So, yeah. Man, we were supposed to go on a ride today. Me and Randy, Nick, we had a plan. Things happen. And the weather is really bad, and when the weather is really bad, it kind of pushes us to work. The weather has a big impact on the line of work that we do. So, again, we kind of, you know, we kind of let it go. Man, that camera is bouncing back there. I'll tell you what, I'm going to stop it right here because I need to stop and check on this camera. I don't know what kind of frame I'm going to get. Hopefully it's good. I don't think it's going to be the one that I wanted because it's not above my head. It's kind of like on the side. We will do more testing. I got another system that I could put it above me, maybe we do that one. But again, back here on the crotch bars, it's just not gonna work. The wing is so much, and the ram mount, it's not a ram mount, but the 360 bolt mount is literally not holding the stick in place. So that's probably not gonna work. I'm gonna have to figure something out. I appreciate you guys watching, and as always, God is in control.